The NB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Hello, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of Tribe Beauty Box. I really enjoy this brand, this subscription service, and I usually get some pretty nice things in this stuff. So let's go and learn more about what is Tribe Beauty Box. Now this box is as I mentioned, bi-monthly. So every other month you pay $34.99. You do get 5 full-size items, and you do get to choose one of the items. The value of the box is supposed to be $125 or more. And I do have an affiliate code. You can save 10% off your order if you use the code DNB. That's DEENB. And I do make $5 when you use this code, but that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, so let's get into what is inside. All right, this nifty box. It's a little tiny. It's weighted though. It doesn't feel too light, so I'm curious to see what could be in here. Thinking with the weight beauty products, you know. All right. Oh wow, there is some skincare in here. This is the card. There are 2 variations of this box, and that it goes with what product you end up choosing. Okay, so this is what I've got here. Now the first item is the item I chose. Now I could have chose the Boom Boom Cream by Sol de Janeiro. I have a lot of that cream already on stock here, but I do need more beauty blenders. So I chose this. This is the Electric Violet Beauty Blender. Now, the founder of the Beauty Blender is Ray Ann Sylvia, and she was one of Hollywood's most sought after makeup artists, and she wanted to create something that is completely smooth and would create it like a flawless look. So, okay, so the Beauty Blender is $20. I wanted to make sure I did say that because I think I skipped out on that, but yeah, $20. Now we're going into okay, these are the INMO Cosmic Eyelighters. Eyeliner, not highlight. You get eyeliner? Okay. I think I just got that. And I've said this name so many times in so many different takes. Now, INMO is by Magnolia. Now, I think these colors look really similar. They're not too much difference. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, see, there's not a whole lot of difference. I mean, yeah, I know I'm legally blind and I can't see things very well, but one color is Femme Fatale and the other one is Dreamer, so they are supposed to be 2 different colors. Now, these do cost $19 a piece. They are cruelty-free and paraben-free, which is pretty neat. So we will swatch these in the last part of the video. Now the next item here, I am a sucker for good cosmetic makeup brushes. I really, really am. And one of my favorite companies is Luxie Beauty. So I am happy to have a face contour brush in here. They just feel so soft and they're tapered very well, and they pick up the powder products, and they do well with cream products too, I've noticed. They are synthetic makeup brushes. Now, this company was founded in 2014. Now, all makeup brushes are entirely vegan and cruelty-free. They're synthetic fibers. So that is good. And this is $18. Now, the next thing in here is You and Oil. Unique name, I will say that for this. This is the Acai Fig Marula Antioxidant Serum. This sells for $42 US. This is Nourishing Relationship, it calls this. Let's see how this. The smell is so familiar to me, and I can't. It's like a cleaning It's a very clean scent. I will say that. I don't know how else to make with this. But now Beirut founded. That's her name. Her last name I'm going to try and pronounce, and Nestarovic. I am sorry, Beirut, for botching that horribly. But she founded You and Oil back in 2013. And yes, this is vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Yay! Now, on to the final product in our box. This is the eyeshadow palette, Shades of Roses. Oh, that sounds so nice. This palette is for $12 US, and it's a 16 shades. It's from Babella Cosmetics. It's owned by Esmeralda Hernandez. She was born in Mexico and immigrated to the US, and her products are all cruelty-free. Here's the palette. Woohoo! And now I have swatched it before, and I'm going to re-swatch it again. But I will say this, the color scheme in this is beautiful. And it's very Valentine theme and roses. And I love my roses. I have beautiful rose bushes and roses all in my front yard. And I can't wait to see them bloom this year. So that is the contents of this box. Now let's go and wrap things up. Let's do some swatches and discuss, was this worth it, and how much the totals, everything was, and how much I saved. Let's check that out. All right, so we were swatching these, and as you see, I was recording and the camera stopped, and I didn't notice, and I finished the video, and I was like, wow, that ended up so great. It's all gone. So we're going to try this again. My poor arm has been swatched and it's like, it's all messed up. I'm going to just do it. We're just going to keep doing this. Now, this one was Dreamer. And I don't know. It's pretty. And you can't really tell here. I'm trying to get some light on it. I think I'd like it. I like the fact that there's no glitter added to it, because sometimes these highlighters for your eyes do have glitter, and that is bad. Okay, this is Femme Fatale. I don't see. Can I get this? Focus. Okay, there we go. And this color, this one's a little darker, has a little bit more bronze tone, but they're almost the same color, folks. I'm not seeing a big drastic difference. And these sell for $19 a piece. I really don't think it's worth $19 each. Maybe for both? Maybe? But I would have liked if we had been provided with, two more drastically different colors. Not colors that were so similar that it's hard to tell the difference. That doesn't mean that this is a bad product. I'm just saying, come on, give me more variety, please. Now I'm going to go back and we're going to swatch this palette. I've already swatched it once before, but we're going to swatch this baby again. Well, I got to tell you, I do like the palette. I really do like this palette. So I'm not going to be, I'm not mad. Okay, we're going to start here on the first row. We got Fantasy. Boom. And Rosa, which is a white shimmer. And I'm just going to put these SWAT XO. And Divine is the first matte. Now, Fantasy. Ooh, I just hit the mic. I am so sorry. Here's Fantasy. Oh, okay. Let's see if I can get my arm. I suck at this. I'm sorry, folks. Well, there we go. You kind of see them. Right here. I do like the white and the which is called Rosa. I'm looking for a good white shimmer. I was looking for one today with my eye look, and well, it would have been nice. Now I know where I can find one. the XO, which has glitter in the shimmer. It's not all pressed glitter, but there's glitter in it. I am not a big fan of that. I don't like putting that near my eyes. Divine. That is a matte, and it swatched lovely. Let's move on to the next row. We have Daring, which this color I'm excited about, actually. I'm going to do that. Ballerina, which is like a pink. Then we have another like pressed glitter gold. Mi Amor. And then the last one is Attraction, which is a matte, which is hard to tell to see it on my arm. See, I did the swatches differently. Woohoo! I like the colors. I think this is, I do like what I'm seeing. It's swatching nicely. I don't like the glitter, folks. It's a mess everywhere. And now I got glitter all over my hand. Not a fan. I'm not going to use the pressed glitters when I use this palette. Now we have Corazon, which this color, I'm sorry, but I'm in love, 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 love. Or should I say I'm in lust. Look at that. Ooh. You can't really see the shine. And then we have Try Me, which is a really intense bright matte. I love that. Here's a bubblegum pink, which is called Romance. And then we have Guilty, and Guilty is like red. It is a beautiful red. Don't they look lovely? I'm liking the color story of this. You can see, you can really envision how to use these colors, and I think that is most important. We're going to go into the last row now, folks. Rosette, which is this is a shimmer that I really admire. Then we have Pleasure. The red didn't come out all the way. Why am I not surprised? Which is like another deep red. Now we have some browns. This brown is called Lust. And this last brown is called Beauty. And I'm glad they have these browns in there. It helps with making a good eye look. Gosh, I hate this lighting today. I am so sorry. Now let's kind of clean up my arm a bit. Whew, I'm going to give my arm a rest. No more swatching. That is intense. Now, folks, this palette is worth $12, and I would pay more for this palette. I like it that much. I would pay more. So I think that, if you want to find this, you can. $12 is a great deal. Just, you might not want all that glitter, and it's not really bad. It's not like a press glitter, which falls out everywhere, but still, there's glitter. All right, so this box was supposed to be valued at $125 or more, and the grand total is $130, which is awesome, and I do feel that's how much I've got worth here. Now, you got, it's got the serum, the 2 highlighters, a brush, a beauty blender, and an eyeshadow palette. This is a great variety in this box. It's not like overloaded with just one thing. I've got makeup tools, I've got makeup, and I've got skincare. And it's all in one box, and it just seems like a nice balanced box. It's a Valentine theme. You got the little purple color, purpley pink color, red palettes. This is, it works well. I really like it. So if you pay $34.99 for this, and then, it's worth $130, you just saved $90.01. Yes, that 1 penny counts. But $90, that is a great deal. I feel like this is good. Try Beauty. You guys rocked it this month, and I look forward to your next box. Remember, if you do want to get this box, or Try Beauty products and shop their shop, I do have an affiliate code. It's DNB. That's DEENB. And you save 10% off your order every time you use the code. Yes, I do make $5 for your purchases, but that's it. I'm not sponsored. I just have an affiliate code. Now, let's see here. My mind. You were going to say something and just like, yeah, it just had that moment. So let's just wrap up this video. Hey, folks, I love you all. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And please hit the like button. Let me know that you like this video. You want to see more like it. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video. And I'll see y'all next time here on the MB Network. Bye.